welcome to Study with Madhuri.
Hey, hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about digraph. Let's understand the meaning of digraph first. A digraph is a combination of two letters that make one sound. Whenever two letters are put together, they make a different sound. Here in this video, we are going to learn sh sound of digraph sh. When sh are put together, they make sh sound. Now, let's hear the sh sound in words. Sh as in ship. Sh e p ship. Let's hear sh sound in another word. Sh or p shop. Let's hear some more sounds of digraph sh in different words. Sh as in shell. Sh as in shoes. So yes, this is all about digraph sh. I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then please
Like, subscribe and share.
thank you so much for watching this video.